Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie. Today I'm going to share with you how to make turkey drumsticks. I'm going to be completely honest, we are not turkey people, although this recipe is pretty great. So for Thanksgiving we usually do chicken, and then I'll do like drumsticks, like turkey drumsticks or turkey breast separately, just so that I'm not cooking one big turkey. And we love it that way. And these are the drumsticks that I make, and they're fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoy.